What's going on, everybody? This is Lewis of the Way It Kicks channel. We are back again to do another unboxing, and these are completely sealed, unopened. They came in yesterday from UPS, and if you haven't done so just yet, go ahead and check out the Kobe Dunklow Protro Charlotte to LA video that I posted before. I was pleasantly surprised by those shoes because there was a lot of details I had no idea that went into making them, and so I got some things to think about with those. But back to these. Before I go ahead and unbox them, I'm making a video in this style for a couple reasons, and one of them being the fact that I saw a video earlier today as I'm shooting this here in the afternoon, to where a guy was actually trying to check out to see what pair he got and noticed that the bag was already tampered with. So that being said, this is gonna be my proof here to show Nike like, hey, this is completely sealed up. I didn't mess with these until the box got opened myself. So here we go. And I appreciate you guys being tapped in, like the video, and thinking about subbing up to the channel. You have yet to do so. That being said, let's go ahead and pop these bad boys open here. All right, hopefully none of my address information showing up. I'll go ahead and blur it out if it does. But guys, here we go. All right, there's the box. And originally it was thought that if you had the gold paper, that meant you had the Los Angeles Laker pair, which is obviously the most highly coveted pair, because I think of the total stock, it was like 4% for those. But here we go, guys. That Black Mamba snake box. Look at that. I love the scales all the way around here. We got the Kobe signature in gold, Kobe symbol there in gold, Nike in the swoosh, and we got another pool hole here. And here's the other thing too. This is actually the first pair of legit Kobe's that I've gotten, like silhouette wise. Like, I hit some Kobe Air Forces, obviously I got the Dunks, but I've never actually gotten an actual Kobe shoe. That being said, Kobe 4 Protro. Multicolor is what it says. The mystery is still there. This is a size 12 that I hit on the sneakers app. Very unexpected. Didn't think I was gonna hit. I just said, let me go ahead and try for it. When you pop open the lid, there's nothing here on the bottom. And we do have here shoes wrapped in gold. And what could they be? So let's take a look here. Let's see if mine have been tampered with in any way. All right, well, it looks to be there is no tampering that has happened here on my shoes. And from my understanding, there's no way to tell what it is you have. Obviously here, they're gonna show you a picture, a graphic there of all the different color silhouettes you could get, and it's a mystery as to what it is you're going to have. Now, something else I need to try here that apparently I saw was that you can use a flashlight to somehow illuminate what's inside. I don't know how that works, but let me go grab a flashlight and just see what happens. All right, so here we go. Taking a look here, and yeah, that is definitely a BS lie, because I don't see, oh, wait a second. Oh, all right, I can tell you now, holding at the right angle, I actually can see through the bag. That being said, I can't tell what's in here. Wow, I wish I could get this on camera. Maybe I could hold it close. No, that's not gonna work. You guys are not gonna be able to see it. I promise you though, the flashlight trick does actually work. I just wonder now, was it at random that they put these in, or were a bunch of employees you know, going through, taking a look. There are some little holes here on the side, they're ventilation holes. That was another complaint the guy had about his bag, but yeah, these are little ventilation holes. Let me see if I can see what's in here. I know you guys are like, why don't you just open the bag to show us what's in? Well, there's a reason for that, you know. Let me see if I can peek in there in any kind of way, which unfortunately I cannot. But well, what should I do though in this video? I know you guys are like, why hasn't he opened the bag? And I'm wondering if I should do a live on it and then do a reveal. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. You know what? You're gonna have to tune in for that live to see. And we're looking to go live July 3rd. So at the time that you're watching this video, hopefully it's July 2nd. And you are gonna get the notification as to when we'll go live July 3rd, to where I will be revealing what shoes, what colorway is actually inside this bag. Appreciate you guys being tapped in. This is Lewis of the Way It Kicks channel, reminding you to be true, stay in the moment, and don't forget, every day is a great day to wear your kicks.